So in Excel, how you use your mouse is important. And sometimes it's hard to appreciate that. First of all, if I click on a cell once, I've selected it. If I want to select multiple cells, obviously if you have a trackpad, you got to kind of figure out how to use it. But on a mouse, you would do left click and drag down, not double click, just click on the cell you want, then left click, and then you move your mouse around and it selects a bunch of cells. Now, other things that can happen, if you double click, you're going into the cell. If you go into the cell, there are different options available to you. For instance, I don't know if you noticed, but when I single click, I have all of these formatting options. I can change the background color. I can change the font color. But if I double click, I don't have some of those options anymore. I can still change the font color, but I can't do merge and center. I can't do wrap text. I can't do any of this alignment stuff. So those are different. And then the last thing I want to say about the mouse is if you select from the side of the box, that actually does something different. See how my cursor changed? Now on a PC, like if you have an HP or a Chromebook, the thing will look different. It's like a black cross with little arrows at the ends. But in a Mac, it's this little hand guy. I don't know if you can see that changing from that to the hand. The hand means I want to pick this up and I want to move it somewhere else. So I just took the whole cell and I moved it somewhere else. It's not very often that I use that because there's other ways to move things from one place to another. And then the other special place you can click is the bottom right corner. And the bottom right corner is a special tool called autofill. And the problem with autofill, if you're not aware that you're using it, is that it's going to reproduce what I have in the box that I've already selected. So if I'm just trying to select a bunch of cells and then this happens, that means that I accidentally did autofill. And of course, the correction for when you do something that you didn't mean to do is just to undo. And I like the shortcut, the computer keyboard shortcut, which is either Control Z on a PC or Command Z on a Mac. But also Excel has these little undo arrows up here. So those are just some important things. There's so many little technical things to learn about Excel, and the more you use it, the more comfortable you're going to get. But if you're struggling with Excel, just let me know.